It's update time for the world of sports and the still mysterious and still deadly coronavirus that has the entire world in sixes and sevens. To date, over 80,000 cases of the infection reported worldwide, close to 3,000 deaths. The World Health Organization warned the world to prepare for a possible pandemic. More and more countries identifying victims, international sporting events being postponed and cancelled. The J-League in Japan has been suspended. Some games in the Serie A in Italy to be played in empty stadia as the limitations of our humanity are being conspicuously exposed. Of course, with the Olympic Games now a mere 5 months away to be held in Japan, adjacent to the belly of the outbreak in China, and with the world shrinking so rapidly due to travel habits and technology, if the Olympics go ahead as planned, I think Jamaica should ponder not sending a team. I mean, with no reasonable evidence that this thing will be contained anytime soon, and with much richer countries unable to control this virus, if we send our athletes into that Olympic village and the fans into that general danger zone for 2 or 3 weeks, and even 1 or 2 of them pick up that virus and bring it back to Jamaica, with our pot-down, under-resourced health system, we could be courting a local catastrophe. Yes, just thinking about it make me scared. Yes, me feel like more runway, Oliver Jupiter, or Mars. Yes, me scared.